Let's divide 372 by 2. Hey math adventurers, ready to conquer division? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Let's Stud family for more awesome math fun. Alrighty, let's start dividing 372 by 2. First up, we look at the digit 3. We bring down the 3 to start our division. It's like the first player in a math game. How many times does 2 fit into 3? You got it, it fits 1 time. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2, so we write 2 below the 3. Now we subtract 3 minus 2 equals 1. This is our first remainder. Awesome start, you're doing great. We've got a remainder of 1. Let's bring down the next digit, 7, to make it 17. Now we have 17, look at that, we're ready for the next round. We bring down the 7 next to our remainder, 1, to make the number 17. How many times does 2 go into 17? Think of your 2's times tables, it's 8. Let's see, 8 times 2 is 16. We write 16 under 17. Time to subtract. 17 minus 16 equals 1, another remainder. Woohoo, you're crushing it, keep that energy up. We have a remainder of 1. Let's bring down the last digit, 2, to make it 12. Last step, we're looking at 12 now, we're almost done. We bring down the 2 to join our remainder, 1, making it 12. How many times does 2 fit into 12? Count by 2's, it's 6. Let's check. 6 times 2 is 12, perfect. Subtract. 12 minus 12 equals 0, no remainder this time. You did it, that 0 means we've perfectly divided the number. And that's it, we've divided 372 by 2. The answer is 186. And there we have it, 372 divided by 2 is 186. Great job, everyone. We just tackled 372 divided by 2 step by step. Remember, each part of the problem is a chance to learn and grow. You've got this. That's all for today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud.